I'm going to show you an old well. You don't see many of these anymore. Follow me. Look down in here. I don't know if you can see it. That's probably 20 feet deep, maybe. Let me hold it. You don't see them like that anymore. Hey, I know of 4 wells, hand-dug wells on our property in South Carolina. 3 no longer have water in it, and I showed you in the other video one that still had water in it. Here's the next one I wanted to show you. This looks about, put the camera, can you see? Maybe 15 feet deep, but it's caved in and water's not in it any longer. But these are old house spots. All these wells are old house spots that were all hand-dug wells long before electricity. And you just don't see them like this anymore. It's kind of, I wanted to show my daughter, so I said, I'm gonna take you and show you these wells when we go down for Christmas this year. Alrighty.